LeetCode 178 rank score. So in this one, we're going to have a table called scores that has an ID, it has a score, and we need to find, basically devise a solution and find the rank of those scores. And the ranking should be calculated according to any of the following rules. So here's some things to call out. The scores, they need to be ranked from highest to lowest, because when you rank something, you need to, have a strategy. Am I ranking in ascending order or descending order? In this case, because it's based on scores, it's going to be ordered, right? Order by score descending, right? So when we build our rank function, or however we do this, that's going to be the sequencing. The second criteria here suggests if there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. So obviously, and if you look at the output, it has to be a score, it has to be a rank. There's three or more, depending on the different languages, there's going to be different variants of how you use or what kind of rank function you use. We talked about this in another video, but there's going to be row number, there's going to be a rank, and there's going to be a dense rank as well. So given that over here, it says if there is a tie, both should have the same ranking. So what that means is we cannot use row number, because with a row number, you're never going to have any two or more rows with the same rank. They're all going to be unique identifiers. So that takes row number out of the equation. So now it's a matter of deciding, is it going to be rank or dense rank? So here it says after a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes in the data. So for that one, we're going to be using dense rank, because if you use rank, there will be holes. It's going to jump between, any instance where you have a tie essentially. So we are going to be using dense rank. So now that we've identified the approach here, and there's nothing crazy going on over here. You don't have to use a CTE or anything. It's just going to be a straight SQL query to this table called scores. So let's go ahead and build our query. Select from scores. And what do we need to do here? So we're pulling in the score. We're pulling in, again, the dense rank, right? And again, how are you ranking it? Ascending or descending? It's descending based on score. So dense rank over order by score descending, and then just give this an alias of rank. Now, because rank is also a function, we don't want to make sure the system doesn't read it incorrectly, so we are going to put tildes here. That's going to make sure that it comes over properly. So finally, order by because again, the third criteria here, after a tie, over here it says return the result table ordered by score in a descending order. So by doing this, all it's doing is giving a rank. It's not necessarily resequencing the data. If you want to resequence the data, we're going to have to type it here. So order by score descending. So that's going to be the solution here. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that. And there you have it.